Welcome to our guide on setting up your Dify account. Today, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started and enjoy the many benefits of using Dify. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Dify website or download the app. Click on the Sign Up button to begin your registration process. Next, fill out the required personal information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure everything is accurate. Creating a secure password is crucial. Choose something unique that mixes letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account safe. Once you've registered, check your email for a verification message. Click the link in that email to verify your account and continue. For added security, Dify requires identity verification. You'll need to provide valid identification and a proof of residence. Now it's time to link your bank account. Follow the prompts to securely connect your financial information for smooth transactions. Congratulations! You're now ready to make your first deposit. Choose the amount and confirm the transaction to get started. With your account all set and your first deposit made, explore the Dify features available to you. Whether it's budgeting tools or spending insights, there's a lot to discover. Now that you know how to set up your account, remember these tips for using Dify efficiently. Stay organized, make regular deposits, and always review your spending.